Hi everyone, we are going to compare Bard and Bing. Bing and Bard. Now, if you're not familiar with Bard, Bard is Google's AI tool and Bing is Microsoft's AI tool. And what we're going to do is actually compare outputs. The same inputs we're going to put in both of them and compare their outputs. Now, they operate differently, but that's not what this is about. They sort of source their information a little different. And so you can read about that or learn how they do that. But we are just really concerned about the outputs we get if we do a couple things. Now, what are we going to do here? We're going to compare posts, compare ideas that they both can generate, compare if they could give us like suggestions for a code, and see if it gives us some article ideas and stuff. So we will start. So the first thing, again, I'm going to put the same post in Bard. This is Bard over here, and the same post is going to go in Bing, or the same inputs, the same prompts is what I should say. Now, if you are familiar with Microsoft Bing Chat, all you got to do is go there, sign up. And I'm not sure if there's a waiting list, but on Bard, currently right now, there is a waiting. You join a wait list and they give you access to it. So in case you can't access that, that's what's going on. But that's what I did. I just joined a wait list to be able to do that. Now, let's see now what we want to ask these guys. So the first question, excuse me, that we're going to ask from, let's say, a marketing or a business standpoint is what I want to say, marketing or a business standpoint. Let's see here. Can you come up with some articles for my health and wellness blog for my wellness coaching business? All right, so we're going to put it right here. That's what we're saying. Can you come up with some articles for my health and wellness blog for my wellness coaching business? And now we're going to hit send over here. And that's going to be the same exact question, guys, that we are going to ask Bard. The same exact question we are going to ask Bard. Now, it's thinking about it. Let's see. Scroll down here. Here we go. And so let's see what it gives us. Sure, here's some ideas for your health and wellness blog. 65 health and wellness blog post ideas, 100 best wellness blogs and websites in 2023, all wellness articles. Wow, okay. Let's see. Generating answers for you. Sure, here's some ideas for your health and wellness blog. Harvard Health Blog, the 50 best wellness blogs you should read. I hope these can help you get started. Okay. I am not sure, I'm sorry if I said Bard. I am not sure Bing really answered our question there. So let's ask Bard the same question. And this could just be that I have not asked this question right, but because your prompts really matter, but I think I have. So let's see what Bard gives us. Can you come up with some articles for my health and wellness blog for my wellness and coaching business? It's the same prompt that we are putting in there. And let's see what Bard comes up with in comparison to Bing. So here we go. How to set and achieve your health goals, the benefits of exercise, healthy eating tips, stress management strategies, how to get a good night's sleep, tips for managing pain, how to quit smoking, healthy recipes, motivational quotes, and inspiration. These, I mean, when you look at both of them, actually, I think I would go more with Bard. I think I would go more with Bard, in this one, because I'm not sure right here. These answers are what I would do, I'm not sure I'm not sure it's answering my question is what I should say. All right, so let's move on. At least we could see that in this instance, Bard takes the win. Okay, now let's ask our next question over here. And this one's going to be, what are the best ways to market a moving company online? All right, I like that. Great suggestion. So what are the best ways to market a moving company online? And so now we are in Bing. Now let's see what Bing gives us. We're going to hit the send button and see what happens there. And as that's happening, it's generating. All right, here it is. Best ways to market a moving company online. There are several ways to market a moving company online. Here are some tips. Get more local moving leads through your website. That's good. That makes a lot of sense. Use pay-per-click, PPC, search engine marketing. Yes. Always use local SEO for moving lead generation. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Try ad retargeting to get more local moving leads. Sign up with Townsquare Interactive to maximize your moving company marketing budget. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tips here that it's giving us. Now we are going to go into Bard and do the same thing over here. Let's go over here and just post it in Bard. All right. Now it's generating its response in Bard. Now let's see what happens here. Let's make this huge. Now, there are many ways to market a moving company online. Here are a few of the most effective methods. Create a website and optimize it for search engines. Then it gives me the description on how to do that. That's pretty cool. Use social media. Social media is a great way to connect with potential customers and build relationships. So run paid advertising campaigns. Paid advertising can be a great way to reach a wider audience. So what I'm seeing here is that not only is Bard giving me the right answers, it's actually giving me the psychology behind the answers, which I actually think, again, is pretty cool. You know, get listed in online directories. There are many online directories that list moving companies. Getting listed in these directories can help you increase your visibility and attract more customers. Whereas here it's just giving me bullet points and stuff and then other references for me to go to is the way I'm looking at it. I would think so. All right. That's pretty interesting. Okay, now let's go over to our next question. Now we are going to get a little bit detailed here because your prompts really matter. Your prompts really matter. So if I actually was going to be asking questions in a real format, a real prompt that I have put a lot of thinking through, this is what I would have here. So it's kind of long. It's going to act as a marketer to write a compelling AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action marketing post that convincingly explains how our SEO services can help grow your business. So we're going to actually, make this a social media post so it knows that that's what we're shooting for. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to send this and see what it does. And at the same time, I am going to go to Bard to do the same thing. And let's see the results that it gives us. Okay, sure. Here's an example of an AIDA marketing social media post that could help you grow your business brand and generate leads. Attention business owners, are you looking for a way to increase your online visibility and generate more leads? Our SEO services can help. With our proven track record of success, we can help you rank higher in search engine results pages and drive more traffic to your website. Our services are designed to help you get the most out of your online presence so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Don't wait. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you grow your business. I hope this helps. Let me know if there's anything I can help with. Okay, anything else I can help with. That's not bad. That's not bad. I would give that a thumbs up. Okay, now we have asked Bard the same question. Let us see what Bard gives us here. Headline, want to grow your business and brand and generate leads? Interest. Are you looking for ways to grow your business brand and generate leads? If so, you need to invest in SEO services, SEO search engine. So this is again, a little bit more involved. Now, and see the call to action here. Contact us today for free. It actually breaks it down. See, it says headline, interest, desire, action. And again, the psychology behind it is really what matters in this instance. And I'm saying Bard is doing really good when Bard is doing really good compared to Bing in this instance. Now, we do have another one, and this one's a little bit more computer. What do I want to say? Computer literary based. Woo! And so let's see. We're gonna ask it if it can create a code for a hashtag generator that could be used on WordPress, and let's see what it says, because this could be gibberish as far as we're concerned, but we're going to ask both of them these questions. Okay, so can you create a code for me for a hashtag generator to be used on WordPress? Let's ask that. And let's see what happens. In the meantime, I will go over to Bard and ask Bard the same question, and let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. All right, now it is creating the code, generating answers for you. Sure, here's an example of a hashtag generator code that you can use on WordPress. Look at that. That is so cool. You can customize this code to suit your needs. I hope this helps. Now let's go to Bard and see what happens. We have asked Bard the same question, and let's see what it is. Sure, here's a code for a hashtag generator that could be used on WordPress, and it actually gives us a code too. Isn't that so interesting? Now, are they the same codes? I don't think so, but that's still cool that it can give us those two. Okay, so that's it. I mean, if you were going to use both, I'm thinking Bard is really, really, really good right now compared to how it's been. Now, for a bonus, you could just stay and hang on. We could see if we asked, excuse me, ChatGPT the same questions to just get the response and see what happens. Okay, so let's go. We'll start again right from the beginning of where we were and ask ChatGPT this. Can you come up with some articles for my health and wellness? And let's see what it says. Here it is. 10 simple ways to improve your sleep quality, the benefits of meditation and stress, importance, hydration, tips for staying hydrated, healthy eating on a budget, tips and tricks. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So compared to what Bing gave us earlier, which is right here, if we were to compare both, I mean, again, it just gave us topics and suggestions to go places. But this is more relational to Bard that actually gave us, excuse me, some good blog topics too. When we look at the blog topics that Bard gave us, I'm going to move them over here so you can kind of see them. Healthy eating on a budget, tips and tricks, the benefits of regular exercise and physical activity, stress management strategy. So you can see ChatGPT is actually killing this one because ChatGPT is actually, wow, that's actually, it's not just how to quit smoking, it's giving you more interesting blog topics is what I would like to call it. Okay, let's ask it, what are the best ways to move your company online? Real quick, and let's see what happens here too, if it gives us something similar to what the others have us. So let's see, it's generating here. And here we go. I'm gonna put this, develop a user-friendly website, ensure your website easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, include clear information about your services and pricing, contact information, leverage social media, invest in pay-per-click. So pretty much the same stuff, quite similar to Bard. But if I were to look at actually, excuse me, both of them and compare what Bard said ahead, let's see, it said create a website and optimize it. And so does Bing, develop a user-friendly website, leverage social media, run paid advertising. I mean, excuse me. So pretty much the same. And if we were to ask it also to create an AIDA post, let's see what happens here. No, sorry. We are going to ChatGPT for that. And let's see what it does. And we will wrap up on that just to see what their differences are, because it's quite fun, because that means you get the opportunity to use either or any of these, I should say, depending on which ones actually tickle your fancy the most, or depending on which one does the best for a particular task. Look at that. So this is again similar to the way Bard spit it out for us. So hopefully this was helpful for you to see the differences in their outputs based on the inputs, the same inputs going in. If this was helpful, like our video. And if you always want to continue to see great content that'll make your life easier, subscribe to our channel. Hope this was helpful again. Take care.